Hello guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to do the geometric sequence. So let's start. Number 1. It will become 3 because 1 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. Now let's find the missing. 27 times 3 equals 81, so that's the missing. Next. 81 times 3 equals 243. This is the missing number, 81 and 243. Next, number 2 times negative. 6 times negative equals negative 6. Negative 6 times negative equals positive 6 because negative times negative equals positive. 6 times negative equals negative 6. So the missing here is 6. And the missing here is negative 6. So the missing is 6 and negative 6. Negative 4 times negative 2 equals to positive 8. 8 times negative 2 equals negative 16. So the missing here is 32. And the missing here is negative 64. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you guys for watching.